Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of Twist Action Automation for workflows. Let's get started. Once in your account, scroll down on the sidebar and click on App Marketplace. Next, in App Marketplace, use the search bar to search for the application you'd like to install, and when you find it, just click on it. From this interface, click Install and allow an install. Once that's done, refresh your page. When the page is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and click on the custom page of the application you just installed. On this interface, we have a series of very important tabs. The first tab is the Documentation tab, which contains information about the application. Next is the Tutorials tab, which has resources that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. Up next is the Setup tab, and this is where we set up our application. To do that, start by copying the redirect URL and clicking on Start Setup. Next, head to your Twist account online and click on your profile. From there, click on Settings and Members. In Settings and Members, click on Integrations. And in Integrations, click on Build. From there, click on Build Integration. Create new app. Leave the integration type on General Integration. Give it an integration name and a description. Next, click Create Integration. Here, scroll down and copy the client ID. Head back to your account and paste it where required. Next, copy the client secret. Head back to your account and paste it where required. From there, click Complete Setup. And as you can see, our application has been set up successfully. Up next is the Support tab, where you can create tickets and book calls with our support team each time you have an issue. Finally is the Changelog tab, which keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in the application. You can also receive notifications each time a change is made by toggling this on, filling in your email address, and clicking on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.